In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a high-converting welcome flow in Klaviyo. We'll start right from the Klaviyo dashboard. Once you're on the home screen, head to the Flows section. This is where all your automated sequences live. Click Create Flow to start a new one and choose Build Your Own. Starting from scratch gives you full control over the timing, content, and logic, which is key for optimizing conversions. Next, give your flow a clear, descriptive name so your team can recognize it at a glance later. Something like Welcome Flow New Subscribers keeps things organized as your account grows. After naming it, click Create Flow to open the flow editor. Before adding any messages, set the trigger so the right people enter the flow. Open all triggers and select Added to List. This tells Klaviyo to start the flow whenever someone joins a specific email list. Choose the email list that your sign-up forms feed into, then click Save and Confirm and Save. Locking in this trigger ensures every new subscriber receives your welcome message without any manual work. Now let's build the content. On the left side, you'll see your actions. This is the toolbox for what your flow can do. Drag an email onto the canvas to add your first message in the series. This first email is the most important one. It sets expectations, introduces your brand voice, and can deliver any promised incentive. Click the email you just added to open its settings. Give it an internal email name so it's easy to identify while you're optimizing later. Then craft your subject line. Aim for something clear and benefit-led to boost opens without sounding spammy. Follow up with concise preview text to complement the subject and encourage the click. Think of preview text as a second chance to make your case. Next, choose a template. Pick a layout that matches your brand style and keeps the message focused. A short welcome, a clear value proposition, and one primary call to action. If you offered a sign-up incentive, place it front and center. You can always refine the design and copy once you see initial performance. When you're happy with the setup, click Save. That's the foundation of a high-converting welcome flow in Klaviyo. A clean trigger based on list subscription and a well-structured first email. From here, you can iterate on copy, imagery, and subject lines, and layer in additional emails or logic as your strategy evolves. But for now, you've built the core experience that greets every new subscriber the right way.